Gold continued to rise in value yesterday and created a strong bullish candle above 3482.78, a resistance level, and the price has reached the next resistance 3519.18, and we can see it has bullish breakout formed on the chart, where the price is currently making decision candle, trying to move higher, and we can see it has moved around 3546.91, and it has retraced back down. Since yesterday, where I have mentioned that the price is trying to move higher and the price has moved even higher, reaching the next resistance, the price is finally and made a bullish breakout above the next resistance level, which has been made with the Fibonacci expansion levels. After that, we can see the next resistance level on the daily time frame is 3658.36, but there are some levels in between which will be respected before reaching this 3658 resistance level. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that currently we have the prices yesterday moved from here, from this area of resistance 3482.78, where the price has returned back down, forming this bearish breakout, going further down, could not manage to reach this area of support, and then failed with this bullish breakout. This bullish breakout candle that has created this bearish breakout as a failed one, the price continued to rise in value pretty strong, and it has reached this area of resistance 3519.18. And we can see currently the price is reaching higher price levels, and it has come very close to 3550.25, which is a 4-hour time frame resistance level. On the 1-hour time frame, yesterday the price has done like this. Let's see this one. The price started from this area here in the morning, then dropped in value, reaching 3474.34, very close and below this area of support, which is a daily support level. From here, the price has formed this bullish pin bar, targeting higher price levels. The price has formed this bullish breakout above that, and it has reached the next resistance level. After that, a strong bullish candle has been formed on the chart. We can see that here, continued to rise in value, not stopping anywhere until the price has reached 3538.68, a resistance level, which is, we can see, it is a 1-hour time frame resistance level. Here, the price has stopped, slightly retraced back down, then tried to move again above. For the 3 times, the price could not manage to close above this area of resistance, which means a strong resistance for the price, at least on the 1-hour time frame. And currently it has formed this bearish candle, which is a bearish engulfing candle, which suggests further decline in value. Now this is only the 1-hour time frame, which suggests a slight decline in value, and how far, how strong, it's not very clear, because we are currently at the all-time high price level, and these support and the resistance levels are not still respected, has not been tested, so we cannot rely on any of these. Will it hold the price or not? So for now, everything is still open for the price to go in any of the directions, but I'm suspecting that the price will drop in value, at least reaching this area of 3519.18, which is a daily resistance level. Currently it is acting as a daily support level, but also we can see that these candles had problems reaching lower levels around this area here, which is 35 to 10.44. So this is all potentially a target for the price, at least on the short-term basis, and after that we need to wait how the price will behave. So for now, I'm waiting outside to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. On the daily time frame, will it reach this area of support, and if it reaches, then potentially the price could go further up, reaching higher price levels. Yesterday I have shared this bullish breakout with the traders inside the premium analysis, where the target was right here, and we can see the price has reached this area of the target. So if you would like to receive these bullish and bearish breakouts, feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders to receive these premium updates. For now, that's all for this day. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.